Good morning, everyone. It's gonna be an exciting day today, and I'm packing my stuff because we're gonna go to Chamarel again, but in a different hotel. So please join us.
그래 미소에 난 취한 것 같아 자꾸만 웃음이 나 어린아이 장난 같아 다정한 밤 공기가 적당한 걸 바랬던 나를 돼 다른 음악이 돼 달콤해 그대와 It's hard to stay real in a world full of fakes. It's hard to find truth when the liars are great. I'm trying my best to stay out of your way. Oh well, oh well. You talk a big talk, but got nothing to say.
So for now, just take your passport with you. We do the formalities at the reception. Then I will show you where to park your car. We'll provide assistance to you.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, we're
It's very beautiful.
And every fool will try to be like you. But I'm not gonna sell my soul just to be someone you wanna know. Who you like is out of my control. I'm okay being me.
I'm so hingal na.
Umbrellas.
She's gonna give us umbrellas.
Umbrellas.
Thank you. Oh, look at that. We're on the top of the mountain.
What mountain is this called? Yeah.
We have two mountains. We
Le
are in
Mans.
between two mountains.
Le
We
Mans.
have the La Porte mountain
La
in
Porte.
this direction. And over here you have the Piton Canet mountain.
Piton.
We are just in the middle.
Okay.
Wow. Wow, amazing.
I wish I wish I wish I wish you could
Hey guys, we finished our lunch. I just had the shrimp and the sun is out, so we're gonna take video. Look at this view, guys. I'm on the top of the mountain. Look, look, look. Guys, it's 5 p.m. na. I think the sunrise is gonna happen anytime soon. And there was a little bit problem because the chalet that they told us to use is not the right chalet. So we have moved into a different chalet, which is this one, which is actually not a bad thing. It's a good thing because it is next to the restaurant and we don't need to walk. And sunset is coming. Look at that. Anyway, I'm going inside. I think I'm gonna have a quick room tour. I think this is not as big as the first one, but let's see. So, okay, let's go now. We have this chair. This is cool. And hold on, let me grab my key. Let's close the door. Let's close the door because there's a lot of mosquitoes and I don't want them inside this room. Okay, let's put my stuff here. Okay, so they have Hey guys, I finished my shower and we're gonna watch the sunset right now. So follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Cheers! Look at sunrise. Sunset is coming.
Who are you talking to? Yourself?
Yeah.
Precisei sair pra poder voltar.
Good morning, guys. We just had our breakfast and look at the weather. It's a lot better than yesterday, and we're preparing the sunbed and we're gonna lie down by the pool, and this is their pool, and we're just gonna chill, forget about work, forget about everything, just listen to the music and breathe the air of the nature. So
Yeah, that'll be.
drone is ready, fully charged, 3 battery, and the drone. Let's fly our drone. Hey guys, we already finished our lunch. So we had lunch inside the restaurant and we worked a little bit. I have my laptop here, my drone camera, my Insta360. I already uploaded them to my laptop, and I am heading to the cottage because I need to charge my phone. And here I am. At hair day as well. So I will have my shower later before the dinner, and this is our cottage. Back to the cottage. Okay, let's go. Yes. Ooh, it's cold. I love it. And they already cleaned the room. I like it. New bed sheets. Let's get the drone now because the sunset is very close. So I'm gonna take my drone now. These are my babies. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm talking to myself.
About my baby.
Time to fly. Look at that, guys. I'm free now. I'm just chilling. I'm enjoying the sunset. It's incredible. I'm gonna video it like 360, okay, so you can see it. It's so magical. Good evening. We're gonna have a nice dinner for your birthday. Okay, let's go now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Oh, champagne. It's dark. No, I don't need it. I think I'm fine. Silhouette. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Oh my God, I'm so tired walking from the chalet into the restaurant.